Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction and a good deal. Features also include bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, MP3. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2011 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.